Hi, in this video, I am explaining about follow-up feature in Nomato Pro. Are you running a business and managing multiple customers day by day and feeling so hectic for managing them every day? So here, this feature is for you. This follow-up feature help you to manage your customers based on tabs, and based on tab, you can send them follow-up messages. Here you can see multiple tabs are here, and this one custom created. Like this, you can set up multiple tabs based on your business stages. And for example, based on a sales stage, you can set up new customer or payment verified customer, order delivered customer, like this. So for creating a new tab, you can click on here and provide a name. So here for setting up follow-up message, I am creating a tab. For example, payment received. Create, and you can add customers based on the stages they are on by clicking on a customer. Then clicking on this icon, you can add them by selecting the tabs. So here for adding a new customer to new customer tab, you can select here, or for a payment received tab, you can select from here. So now I am not adding anyone, and now for setting a follow-up feature, click on this icon, and here you can create. Here you can give a short name for the follow-up, and from here you can choose the tab. Here I am choosing the payment received tab, and here you can see this follow-up trigger. So here you can see three different triggers. When a customer enters to the funnel, or trigger immediately upon leaving the funnel, or trigger after a defined time. So if you have to send a follow-up message immediately upon a customer is added to the funnel or tab, you can send follow-up message, or after leaving the funnel you can set up according to that. And if you want to send follow-up message after defined time, so for example, if you want to send a follow-up message for a new customer after 3 days or 7 days, you can set up according to that. Here you can give after how many days to be sent and at which time this has to be shared. And now I am selecting trigger immediately upon entering the funnel, and here you can set up the follow-up message, add action, and you can set up text, image, video, audio, documents, quick responses, pics, group invitation, contact, link with banner, sticker, or from CRM tab, or for labels, or set up timers. So for timers, they will feel like short typing indicator, or for recording audio, they will feel like you are recording audio, or even you can set up waiting seconds also. And from here, you can send message. Here I am selecting text. Or if you want to send a follow-up audio note or a video note or any images, you can select according to your need. Here I am selecting text. And here I am sending a payment verification message. So here I have added a payment verification message. And if you want to send another message after this, you can select another action, and you can edit the time, the waiting period between the messages. So here I am not adding any message. I am just adding this one message, and here you can see trigger rule. So when you are sending follow-up message, you can set up these trigger rules if you need it. Like cancel sending the follow-up if the client responds. So if the client is already respond, we don't have to send if we don't have to send the follow-up message, then we can set up this rule. Or if you want to send allow replying in groups, you can set up this option. So if you want to customize or disable a signature when sending follow-up message, you can set up this option also. So here I am not selecting any trigger rules, and I am just creating this follow-up message. So here in this follow-up feature, you can see some previous follow-up messages are here. And if you want to disable the sending of this payment received message, you can disable from here this active option. Or if you want to edit this, you can edit from here. Or if you want to delete this, you can delete. Or if you want to create a duplicate message for this, you can create a duplicate of this follow-up message. So here, when a new customer is added to payment received tab, they will get the payment verification message. So here I am adding this customer to payment received. So they will get the message, follow-up message I have created. Yes, this follow-up message has been shared. So like this, you can set up multiple follow-up messages based on your needs, based on your business stages. You can set up follow-up messages. Also, you can set up after how many days, like I have mentioned, after how many days the follow-up rules are there. Also, trigger rules are there. You can set up according to your needs. So this feature is very helpful and important feature in Nomato Pro. So while setting up these follow-up messages based on your business needs, and if you have any doubts and concerns, feel free to reach out. We are here to help you. Thank you.